the Matura was such an important instrument. So what did I do during the war? I said, everything else I can do it. I folded into 8 parts, and in Poland you had a bottle, a lemonade was such an old, I don't know whether you have it here, was a bottle with which the cork was sort of hermetical with a rubber. You have to close it. You probably saw it, right? And I put it in such a bottle. I close it so. I put in some wax around it to make sure that no air gets in. And I buried it deep in the cellar. And after the war, I went over. No, I wasn't there. A Pole was living there. So I said, when I will ask him to let me dig out, he may think that I have gold or diamonds there. I said, look, this is my instrument. There is no gold, nothing. It's worthless to you. I will pay you so much, whatever it is, I think, 500 zlotys or whatever it is. You dig it up. You can break the bottle to see whether there's nothing there. You can open the bottle, and it's only my Matura. To you, it's not worth anything. To me, it's important. And sure enough, he did, and I got it back. And that's how I got in right away on the university.